Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also the bell to get notified of future videos, including the giveaways. Today we're going to have a look at a new decal sheet from DXM. This one is 1/48 F-14Ds. Okay, so let's have a look, see what we get inside the bag. So F-14D Tomcat 1/48 for VF-31. VF-31 is the second longest US Navy squadron being in existence, and they were the last ones to operate the F-14 as well. Set number 914235. Decals are done by Cartograph, so it should be pretty neat. A couple of links there, one to their website, one to their Facebook page. And you can use these decals on the 1/48 AMK Fujimi, Hasegawa, Hobby Barsi, Taglieri, Revell and Tamiya kits. So quite a selection there. So open it up, it's their usual sticky at the bottom here, which always seems to annoy me because somehow things sticking to the strip at the bottom that shouldn't do. Usually when it comes to putting it all away again, it all goes wrong. So we've got a big decal sheet, small decal sheet, and instruction sheet, double-sided, full colour. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 7 different options there. As I said, VF-31, basically going from 95 when they were on the Carl Vinson. That was the first carrier they were on where they operated the F-14, through to 2002, 2006. I think these ones at the bottom, these two, there's very similar schemes. One's more greyed out than the other. The others are pretty colourful tails. A grey one, 164350. I think that is actually the aircraft that did the very last flight. I'll double check that and put it in the website. The link is underneath. But I think that's that one. Definitely the right year anyway. Colours needed are called out in Mr. Colour and Humble. They're also named as well. So that's pretty neat. There's your top and bottom views. Also giving you the options for how things vary between the different aircraft. There's basically your grey aircraft, and there's the 7th option at the end. So instructions look pretty neat. You can work out where everything goes from what is on here. That's pretty good. There's nothing missing from there that we're going to need. So let's have a look at the decal sheets. Start off with the big colourful one. I'll put it on the screen now. So these are done by Cartograph, so I'm not expecting any issues with them at all. Just checking the backing film. Backing film's good. It's non-existent where it shouldn't be visible, and I can just see it exists where you've got letters or things that are all supposed to line up, and the backing film makes sure that those things line up. And everything is in there. Looks very nice. Colours are very bright. Everything seems to line up. Can't see anything not lined up. As in, colours are in register there. No overlaps or anything. And onto the other sheet. And pretty much the same, going down to all the nose step decals. Looks like they've given you some, at the bottom there, some grey boxes. I'm just wondering if any of these are like spare bits of colour they give you. But we'll see. So everything there looks good as well. So a very nice decal sheet indeed. I'll put a link underneath the video to DXM's website if you want to get yourself a copy. But they're quite colourful, very nicely done. The decals themselves are very well done. Plenty of information on the about where the decals go, and interesting to have that very last flight by a Tomcat aircraft on there. I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, so all in all, very nice. Many thanks to DXM for sending it along for us to have a look at.